This tutorial is brought to you by the Umatilla County Law Library. Online resources finding representation will cover some options for those seeking legal representation and/or legal aid in Umatilla County. Whether you've been served papers or you plan on starting the legal process yourself, finding the right attorney can be quite stressful. Thankfully, Oregonians have plenty of options, and whether you have a low or moderate income level or you're just needing an affordable consultation, there are several state funded options. This video is intended to provide information on legal services available to those residing in Umatilla County and should not be interpreted as legal advice. This video will cover several options for finding representation, all of which will be through two state-funded organizations, Legal Aid Services of Oregon and the Oregon State Bar. Legal Aid Services of Oregon, also known as LASSO, provides legal expertise and brief advice on the listed topics. To find out if you qualify for their services, give them a call at 541-276-6685 or stop by their office in Pendleton at 365 Southeast 3rd Street. Spanish-speaking staff are available. Office hours are listed here for drop-ins, but Fridays are reserved for appointments only. This office also serves Gilliam, Morrow, Union, Wallowa, and Wheeler counties in addition to Umatilla. You can find more information on LASSO and its services by visiting www.lasoregon.org. The Oregon State Bar regulates the legal profession in Oregon, issues licenses and discipline to those practicing law, and provides legal services to its bar members as well as the public. Essentially, this is the organization that oversees our legal community, which makes it a great resource for locating legal representation. You can email your inquiries to them at info@osbar.org or give them a call at the provided phone number. There are 5 different services that we will cover from the Oregon State Bar. The first of which is the Lawyer Referral Service, which provides Oregonians with a 30-minute consultation for $35. This service is intended to help you find an attorney for your legal situation, but additional charges are required for further assistance, and the availability of attorneys is not always guaranteed. The Modest Means Program is for those seeking legal aid assistance with a moderate income. The fillable application can be completed online and it's just over 2 pages in length. There is a copy of that list shown here. Availability of services fluctuates depending on whether or not there are any attorneys in your area that match your legal situation. Free Legal Answers is a service provided by a third-party American Bar Association, but it's freely available to low-income Oregonians. This service provides an opportunity to correspond with a legal volunteer on different legal topics. There's a list of those provided here. Again, responses are dependent on your legal situation and the information provided. The Military Assistance Panel is for currently deployed service people and their dependents and can provide up to 2 hours of free legal advice. There's also the Problem Solvers Program, which provides free legal consultations to young people's ages 13 to 17. For more information on these services, contact the Oregon State Bar at the provided number during these hours. One last tool available through the Oregon State Bar for those seeking legal representation is their member directory. This can be used to search for attorneys in your own hometown just by typing your hometown into the city field and clicking Search Directory. A list of local attorneys will appear with their bar profile, listing their contact information, bar membership status, and more. You can also search by last name. And that's it for online resources, finding representation. Thank you for watching. And if you'd like to know more information about the Umatilla County Law Library, which is located inside the Pendleton Public Library, click subscribe and follow us on Facebook.